Most drivers panic the moment their account gets deactivated on Amazon Flex. They think it is permanent or impossible to fix. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Amazon Flex in 2026, many deactivations can be reversed if you understand the system and appeal correctly. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is sending random appeals without understanding why you were deactivated in the first place. In this video, you will learn why Amazon Flex deactivates drivers in 2026, how the appeal process really works, and the exact steps to increase your chances of getting reactivated. Let's start with the basics. Amazon Flex deactivation happens when the system detects issues like late deliveries, missed blocks, policy violations, or low delivery performance. A driver like Alex might get deactivated after repeated missed time windows or customer complaints, even if it was unintentional. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most deactivations are automated. That means a system, not a human, often triggers the decision. But here's the problem most drivers face. They immediately send emotional appeals instead of structured ones, which usually get ignored or rejected. So let's break down how to actually fix it. First, you need to identify the reason. Check your email from Amazon Flex carefully. The message usually includes a general explanation like policy violation or delivery performance. Second, you need to build a clear appeal. A driver like Jake, who writes a calm, structured explanation, has a much higher chance of success than someone who is angry or vague. Your appeal should focus on 3 things. Acknowledge the issue, explain what happened, and show how you will improve. Keep it short, clear, and professional. Now here's a key insight experienced drivers use. They don't just send one appeal. If the first one is rejected, they revise it with more detail and submit again through the official Amazon Flex support channel. Timing also matters. Submitting appeals quickly after deactivation increases your chances because the case is still fresh in the system. In a minute, here is what many drivers overlook. Supporting evidence can help. Things like delivery screenshots, route history, or communication records can strengthen your case if used correctly. Another important factor is consistency. Drivers like John, who have a clean history before the issue, often get reactivated faster compared to those with repeated violations. But not all deactivations are reversible. Serious violations like fraud or safety issues are usually final. That is why understanding the reason is critical before you act. So what is the real fix strategy? You stay calm, identify the exact reason, write a structured appeal, and follow up professionally without spamming the system. That is what actually works in 2026. To summarize, Amazon Flex deactivation is not always the end. Many drivers get reinstated when they approach the process correctly. The key is clarity, patience, and understanding how the system evaluates appeals. If this helped you understand how to fix Amazon Flex deactivation, like the video, comment your situation, and subscribe for more real driver strategies that help you recover and earn smarter.